Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be making my grandmother's deviled eggs. She showed me how to make this way back in the 90s, and she's long gone, and people still ask me to make the deviled egg for the family get-together, so I'm going to make them just how she showed me. I think that's how her mother, my great-grandmother, made them, so we've made them this same way a long time. I boiled my eggs ahead of time, and I had them in the fridge all night. I do the method where I put a dozen in the pot, bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I cut the heat off, cover it for 10 minutes, and they come out to my liking. I've got my deviled egg, my official deviled egg knife. So I'll just start cutting, dumping, and placing them in my grandmother's deviled egg platter. So I've got this size of spoon here. And take the old mayonnaise, get a couple of heaping spoonfuls. And about that much mustard, that's maybe a teaspoon. And then a cap full of the old distilled vinegar, maybe not that much, about a half cap full. A little bit of pepper to taste, and a little bit of salt to taste. And then I just take a fork and mix everything together till it's smooth and well combined. Mash all those yolks up. You can put relish in there. My grandmother did not. So once again, this is the theme of not trying out experimental recipes from the internet. We're making things like Grandma did. May need a touch more of the mayonnaise. That's just pretty well an even spoonful. That's getting good and smooth. I'll sample that. Yep, that's just right for me. Let's get these deviled eggs assembled. I use my cookie dough scoop, and that seems to work pretty well. And this is an optional item. I like to sprinkle a little paprika on top of the eggs. That's what my grandmother did. Not too much. There we go. And there they are. I'm going to sample this one that tore up. Yep, just like grandmother used to make. So that's a look at how to make my grandmother's deviled eggs. Thank you for watching.